advertisers. I am disgusted with the way old people are depicted on television. We are not all vibrant, fun-loving sex maniacs. Many of us are bitter, resentful individuals who remember the good old days when entertainment was bland and inoffensive. The following is a list of words I never want to hear on television again. Number 1, bra. Number 2, horny. Number 3, family jewels.
Hi, Grandpa.
Ah!
When I read your magazine, I don't see one wrinkled face or single toothless grin. For shame. To the sickos at Modern Bride magazine.
Hey, Grandpa, we need to know your first name.
You're making my tombstone! Dear Mr. President, there are too many states nowadays. Please eliminate 3. I am not a crackpot.
Good news, Abe.
Who are you?